Yusuf, or Joseph, is a prominent figure in the Islamic and Judeo-Christian traditions, and his story is told in the Quran, the Bible, and the Torah. In brief, Yusuf was the son of Yaqub, Jacob, one of the prophets in Islam, and was favored by his father. This caused jealousy and resentment among his brothers, who plotted to get rid of him by throwing him into a well and then telling their father that he had been killed by a wild animal. Yusuf was later found by a group of travelers and was sold into slavery in Egypt. He was bought by an Egyptian official named Al-Aziz, who recognized Yusuf's intelligence and good character, and eventually made him the chief administrator of his household. However, Yusuf's fortunes took a turn for the worse when Al-Aziz's wife tried to seduce him. Yusuf refused her advances, and in retaliation she accused him of trying to seduce her. As a result, Yusuf was imprisoned. While in prison, Yusuf interpreted the dreams of two of his fellow inmates who were officials in Pharaoh's court. One of them was released and went on to become a high-ranking official, and when Pharaoh had a series of troubling dreams, the former inmate recommended Yusuf to interpret them. Yusuf's interpretation of the dreams impressed Pharaoh, and he was made the chief advisor and administrator of Egypt. Yusuf was able to use his position to prevent a famine and to reunite with his family, including his brothers who had sold him into slavery. The story of Yusuf is considered a tale of patience, perseverance, and the triumph of good over evil. It is often cited as an example of how a person's faith and good deeds can overcome adversity and lead to success.